5 ways to make a woman want to have intercourse. Having an intercourse that is truly enjoyable requires serious effort on the part of your partner. Especially for men, you must know what exactly women want to be invited to have intercourse. Then what should be done so that the partner wants to be invited to have intercourse? Well, here are some things that couples must know, especially men. Number 1. Body scent. Who says women aren't tempted by the sexy body of the man in front of them? Some women say they enjoy sexy images of men and women, including images of men in challenging positions. No need to worry if you don't look like a movie star. A standard body is enough to satisfy your partner as long as you maintain good hygiene. A fresh body because you always take a shower, neatly trimmed nails, and clean-shaven sideburns, as well as a fresh scent from your body, are guaranteed to make your partner feel comfortable. Although at home, you feel more relaxed wearing a shabby t-shirt and makeshift shorts. But that kind of sight will not be liked by your partner. Number 2. Sincere praise. Sure, every woman loves to be complimented, but it's not the flippant compliments, it's the unexpected little compliments. If it's said at the right time, she'll smile happily. It's not just her beautiful body that you can compliment. Other simple things, such as, when she makes you mango juice on the weekend, can also be used as a compliment. The juice is so good. Feels like your lips, sweet and fresh. Deliver the compliment with sincerity. Look him in the eye. If necessary, whisper it in his ear. Avoid giving compliments that sound very superficial. For example, you compliment her while continuing to concentrate on the computer. It will only make her upset. Number 3. Affectionate call. Remember the nicknames you gave her when you were dating? Try to repeat it now. If it turns out you don't have a nickname for her, there's nothing wrong with creating one from now on. A woman will feel special when she realizes that you are the only one in the world who calls her that. It also reminds her that your position is different from others. Number 4. Romantic attitude. No need to keep a basket of expensive roses every day at home. Just give her a small rose when she comes home from out of the house. Women will feel honored by this kind of romantic gesture. On weekends, try preparing breakfast for her and bringing it to the bedroom. Wake her up with a gentle peck on her forehead, then offer her a glass of your freshly made juice. What you do will feel romantic to her. There's nothing wrong with occasionally taking your partner out for dinner at a romantic cafe. Number 5. Intimate touch. It's normal for you and your partner to feel very tired after your activities, but as a token of love, you can do something nice for him. After showering and getting ready for bed, take some fragrant olive oil or body lotion, apply it on the nape of his neck, and massage gently. Let her enjoy every sensation created by your touch. Some women find it sexy when their partner slumps on their shoulders or buries their head in their stomach. Erotic touches in bed are necessary, but not only that, women also crave affectionate caresses. Only affection and not lust. I hope this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell me your opinion in the comments column. If you like this video, please join our channel. May we always be given health and happiness.